Syrup. It smells like syrup. You smell it? Oh shit. It smells like syrup.
There's a price for it.
Syrupy sausage. We got... You couldn't wait? You told me to wait? Oh my god. Okay, well I got 2 burritos. He's got a small fry -1 because he just already started eating. And he's got a McChicken.
This yours too?
Yeah, I got 2 burritos, man.
Damn, give me half of that one.
No!
Yeah.
You gotta make
I want to try one of them.
No.
This is a McChicken, ain't it?
Alright, tell me how to say that.
Forgot to say.
I don't know how to say that.
What is it?
Picante. Hot picante sauce? I don't know. Oh, dude, I want that truck. Colts are my favorite football team. Got some hot sauce in my burrito. Oh, jeez. Huh? It's not bad. Cheesy. Oh, I want that Mustang.
Yeah. You guys probably can't see.
No. That's nice too.
It's all nice cars today.
Yeah.
Not car show quality. I mean, they're good.
Well, he took a picture of like, what was it? It was like a...
Shelby.
It was a real nice car. Took a picture of it yesterday.
Ford Shelby. Classic.
This is fun.
I like how.
Oh, and Hardee's is gonna be our lunch, guys. It's gonna be fun.
Well, we're gonna be recording that too. Maybe I should just freaking call the YouTube channel Mason and Mike eating.
That's fun.
You just stuffed that whole damn thing down your throat?
No.
I want some of that. Never tried the burritos.
We're gonna try the ice cream stuff. Like, we're gonna go through drive-thrus at McDonald's and at Dairy Queen, and we're gonna like buy ice cream and I'm gonna shove it in my face. Maybe he'll do it. Who knows?
Hoping that's not a good shirt.
No. No. Turn my music all the way down. I was listening to that jam while I was eating this burrito. They don't even roll this stuff good. Look how flimsy and open it is.
Let me get.
This is your guys' McDonald's burrito.
Looks like a bunch of snow in the picture.
I'll save you a bite at the end.
Alright. And it better not be no little ass bite either.
You want some hot sauce with yours?
Yeah.
I'll try to save you some hot sauce.
Put a whole damn thing on it.
No. That's what my tongue's for. Don't need a napkin, I got my tongue. Get all in that burrito.
You know, we could probably just use that to record what's in front of us as we're driving.
Use what? Yeah. Still eating our fries?
Yeah.
Oh,
I eat sandwiches.
Hardee's fries sucks. Go to McDonald's.
Oh yeah. McDonald's never disappoints me.
They didn't even put
With
salt
fries,
on the
anyways.
Hardee's fries. Them are some nice bites.
I can't believe we're just sitting here recording each other eating. Don't French it, damn. No.
Could have used that as a trash bag.
God, you fucking happy now? Got to stop yelling at me, damn.
Jesus, Mom, calm down.
I don't work well under pressure. Holy fucking shit, that's a nice car. You seen that? That's like some next level Bumblebee looking shit. Holy fuck. Thank you.
I'm
Not
not gain
bad.
100 pounds, guys. Ooh, let's go bowling.
They open today?
Yeah, there's cars there.
How much does it cost?
Mm.
Pretty sure it's like $5 a person. Nice.
You drink that, you're drinking bull semen. You drink Gatorade. Gatorade tastes better. Quenches your thirst.
Quenches your thirst.
Well, there's trash back here because someone threw their drink back here the other day.
My God, damn.
Oh my God, and there's still liquid in it.
It's ice.
I don't care, it's getting dumped. God, it's hot outside. What'd you do?
Huh?
I'm don't have.
I don't know what I'm talking about. Just gonna have to watch the video when I get ready.
I wonder if there's any more trash. Is there any more trash you see?
I fucking see that.
Ah, ew.
What the hell is
It's a
that?
piece of plastic.
It's trash.
Trash.
Yep.
Oh, that's from the other day. I can still drink that. Dare me to?
Go right ahead. I don't
Smells
fucking care. Smells good, yeah. Pop smells good.
I wonder if it's flat. This is from yesterday. Don't worry. Maybe piss. I don't know. Let's find out.
And the winner goes to
Piss.
piss.
No, it was actually mellow yellow.
Damn right, it was
290
mellow
count.
yellow. Get high, piss in a ball. That's what mellow yellow is.
Nice. It's mellowed out yellow pee. Dude, put the napkins in there, man. I want to have some napkins, man. Glove box. Napkins always go in glove boxes.
Yeah. So what's it good for? What will I do now?
I don't know.